Question 16. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle M onto triangle N. So here's M and there's N, and we want to know how M has been transformed into N. When the question says describe fully the single transformation, there are four transformations: rotation, reflection, translation, or enlargement. Now the first three, rotation, reflection, and translation, they don't change the size of the triangle or whatever shape is being used. You can see here the size of the triangle is being changed, so this is an enlargement. And writing down enlargement should pick you up a mark. If we look at the base of M here, it is 2 squares long, and when it becomes the base of N, it is now 4 squares long, so we say that it is a scale factor of -2. The reason why it is a scale factor of -2 is because the shape has been moved backwards on itself. I'll explain more about that in a second, but if the shape was up here where I'm currently highlighting my cursor now, then it would be a positive scale factor, but because there's a form of reflection in here, it becomes a negative scale factor. Because we said it's an enlargement, I need to identify where the center of enlargement is. To work out the center of enlargement, you join the corners that have stayed the same. So for example, this corner here that I'm highlighting ends up being this corner over here. This corner, which is the right angle, becomes this corner here, and so on. And if I join those corners up that are the same, you notice they all go through the same spot, and that is the center of enlargement. Because this has a form of rotation in it, it has been flipped over. The enlargement is -2 to tell you that you've got to go in the opposite direction from the center of enlargement. So instead of going 3 squares right and 1 square up, we're going to go 6 squares left because we've doubled the scale factor, and 2 squares down.